It has been years since I've decided to do this. I don't know why. I've been really busy. And honestly, Flat Earth bored the crap out of me. So I decided, hey, why not come back and just let people know? I've lost a bunch of subscribers. That's fine. I get it. I mean, my content was debunking the Flat Earth before. And it still is. But at the same time, I'd moved on to theist arguments. So the Flat Earth is obviously a theist argument, but also a conspiracy theory, plus an anti-vax, plus an anti-science, and pro-religion. So, do I want to make more content about this? Yes. It turns out that many of you people who continue to deny science seem to have no idea what evidence really means. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to school you briefly on what that means. So, evidence. Can I take what evidence I have, use it, and say, okay, because of this I know that this is true, or that I can make a prediction that this is most likely true? So let's say we're looking at the map of the universe. No, not the universe. That's dumb. The globe. Or the flat earth. Who cares? And you're looking at South America and Africa, and you're saying those coastlines look really similar. Like they could have been joined. So what is my evidence for that? If I want to say those two are together, I could say, hey, I bet you, because if they were one coast or one earth at one point, there's probably evidence within the soil on both of those continents where one is the same as the other. And if so, then that's clear evidence that they were connected at some point, especially if you can't find those same organisms or plants on other locations of beaches around the world. But those two beaches in the same strata layer have the same organisms or plants. That's how evidence works. If you can see it and you can go, well, I will predict that we probably won't find this anywhere else but over here, and that's my evidence that these two continents were joined, that's good evidence. If your evidence comes down to I don't know, or I have to presuppose a designer, then you don't have evidence. You don't have evidence. You have an argument. Argument is not evidence. You could be logical, but it's not. So this is the first of, and very lightly, because it's not going to be as in-depth as I want to be. And I do have a full-time job and school now, but I want to come back and start talking about theism and atheism and the bad arguments for both, but mostly for theism, because really there's only bad arguments for that because they have zero evidence. So anyway, I might shave this too, but for now, let it be known, yep, most of the hair that I grow is white because I'm not a young punk. I am actually rather old, much older than I look, sadly. So I ain't just speaking out of my ass, even if it looks like it. Peace.